Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Center notifies guidelines to boost electric car production. The policy for electrical vehicle car has been released. Import duty reduction has been done, 15% reduction. Manufacturing requirements. Company must begin local manufacturing within 3 years and fulfill local content requirements. Brownfield investments also revised. Policy objective and market impact. Foreign investment. Policy aims to incentivize forest investment in India's EV sector. Domestic automakers. Earlier resistance from domestic automakers against foreign EV import led to the inclusion of brownfield investments. Market balance. Allowing market access to foreign players. Premium segment focus. The inclusion of minimum value vehicle cost threshold ensures high-end models are prioritized. Technical concepts in EV manufacturing. Completely built up units. Vehicle imported in fully assembled form. Brownfield investment. Investment in existing production facility. Local content requirement. A regulation mandating a specific percentage of component to be sourced domestically. India-Paraguay can strengthen trade ties. Comes under GS2 bilateral relation. Mercosur framework comprises Brazil, Argentina, Bolivia, Paraguay and Uruguay with preferential trade agreement with India since 2004. Paraguay positions India as a key strategic partner, citing India's technology leadership and market size. Strategic importance of India and Paraguay relation. Mutual benefits can be applied. Global trade dynamic can be diversified. Strategic location of Paraguay. Resource abundance, natural resources of India's industries. Phytoplankton overfed on iron depleting. Ocean nutrients faster. Comes under GS3 Environment, Science and Technology. Industrial pollution releases iron into ocean, enhancing spring phytoplankton bloom. Ecosystem impact threatens the marine food chain. Phytoplankton growth, increased iron availability boosts the growth. Nutrient depletion, faster consumption of nitrates has been done. Anthropogenic impact on marine ecosystem. 39% anthropogenic iron of surface ocean during spring is traced. Boundary retreat. The nutrient boundary known as transition zone, chlorophyll front, is retreating due to iron-driven nutrition depletion. Scientific concepts in marine ecology. Phytoplankton, marine algae forming in the base of aquatic food webs. Anthropogenic iron introduced into environment from human activities. Transition chlorophyll front, the oceanic boundary between nutrient-rich and nutrient-poor waters identified by chlorophyll concentration. Detailed insight on marine ecosystem challenges. Foundation of ecosystems, pollution, ecosystem connection. Direct link between anthropogenic iron pollution and altered ocean nutrient cycle. Accelerated depletion. Excess iron accelerates the phytoplankton growth, causes rapid nitrate depletion. Biodiversity impact. Cascading effect on marine biodiversity and fisheries. Supreme Court Collegium moots transfer of 4 High Court Chief Justices. Comes under GS Paper 2, Polity and Governance. Collegiate system headed by Chief Justice of India, who is Gawai, recommends transfer of Chief Justice of Madras, Rajasthan, Tripura and Jharkhand High Court. New appointments. Collegium also proposes 5 new appointees as Chief Justice in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Guwahati, Patna and Jharkhand. Additional transfers of 21 High Court judges also done. Understanding the collegiate system, it's a novel mechanism. No constitutional definition has been given. Supreme Court Collegium is headed by Chief Justice of India and comprises 4 senior most judges of the court. High Court Collegium. And High Court Collegium is led by Chief Justice and 4 other senior most judges of that court. Evolution of collegium system. Constitutional foundation. Article 124 Clause 2 of Indian Constitution says every judge of Supreme Court is appointed by a by the President of India in consultation with such judges of Supreme Court and High Court as President may deem necessary. Supreme Court appointments. Article 124. Supreme Court judges should be appointed by President after consultation with such judges. High Court appointments. Article 217. Please try this mark question. Thank you.